Welcome to your first class discussion in Intro to Lit. I'm going to show you how Learn is going to help you do some research about the authors and stories that you'll be looking at during this quarter. You log in to Learn the regular way. The directions on how to do that are on the screen when you first hit Content for this course, and before Unit 1 there's information about it. You can take a look there. That's where you'll find the passcode that you're going to need and that sort of thing. So here I am already in Learn. I have a number of subjects to choose from, and because we're doing Intro to Literature, let's do Language and Literature. It then offers me 11 different databases to work from. I recommend trying the Gale Virtual Reference Library. This is a wonderful collection of reference books, full text, everything is here. You don't have to go to the library. It's going to be wonderful. And there are individual books that you can take a look at, but instead let's just go right up here to the search box. I could type in Alice Munro, the name of our author that I want you to do the discussion about, but if I do, I'm going to get every story she ever wrote, every book she ever wrote, etc. So instead, I'm going to put in the title of the story that we read this week. If it were a poem, I could write down the name of the poem, and if anything were in this database, you'd find it. So I will type in How I Met My Husband, press the Enter key, and here are my results. The most relevant will be the first one there. You can see it said it came up with 5,495 results. I think that's because it's also going keyword for words like husband. So any story that included the word husband is going to be listed here. But the first two are the ones that are really going to give us more information. Down here where it has movie reviews, there was an episode of a program called Red Shoe Diaries that was called How I Met My Husband. That has nothing to do with Alice Munro. So we're going to look at these first two. And from the set, Short Stories for Students, here we have How I Met My Husband. It has an author biography, a plot summary, characters, themes, style, historical context, critical overview, criticism, sources, further reading, and suggested search terms. I think we hit the jackpot. As we go below, we find out a little bit about Alice and her life. We even have a photograph of her. And now we get into a plot summary of our story. It tells you that there was an audio cassette recording. This will not link you to that. And below we start having information about the characters, the themes, etc. This is going to work to give you background information to do the class discussion. The listen here will actually read out everything that is on this page. So if you have sound activated on your computer, you'll be able to listen to this as well as read it. On the right, something that you might want to be aware of are the citation tools. If I click that, it comes up with the MLA version of the citation that you would put in a bibliography. If I click here, I can also choose APA. I know many of you have taken research methods with me, and APA style is the style that you're going to be using in those classes. You can use this too, but you can just select it and use the copy command. And then you'd be able to paste this into a Word document or at the end of your discussion information, and you'd have your citation ready. This was rather easy, and you're going to be able to do it to every story that you're going to be reading for this course. And I hope that this gives you adequate background to jump into the discussion and do well this week. Thank you.